Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Blackview BV6600E has a dual SIM card. So now let's pick up this phone and just look from all the sides in order to locate the SIM card slot. So here it is. You can open it without any needle, just simply use your nail. We can also use the needle just to help us with this. We have it open. Now we can remove it. And let's see if it has two SIM slots. As you can see, there's two SIM card slots, there's one and there's two. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.